Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are discussing that how you can read uh, notes or content from your folder. So you have to go in Blackboard relevant course, like we have Islamic Studies Monday folder. So after that you should go lectures and learning content folder. This is, so for example, you have assigned some folder like this one, folder 8, Islamic ethics in the light of Surah al-Hujurat, or any other folder. When you see this for the specific folder, so folder 8 is current. So you can go and you can see that there are something like Urdu notes, English notes, and as well as the recordings already previously we have recorded. So there are content available, you can use this one. But for as a first step, you have to read first, not listen, read. Then we will discuss based on the reading. Then you can go through the videos later. So you have multiple options to learning. So this is the very simplest way, and you can say that this is massive uh, online learning style. So as per HEC, this style also approved as per new undergraduate policy. So we can try this method inshallah. So this is more useful inshallah.